Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to check your credit score right in the Lloyds app for 2025. If you're a Lloyds customer, this feature is a game changer for keeping tabs on your financial health. Why does it matter? Well, your credit score can affect loans, mortgages, and even job applications, so staying informed is key. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Lloyds app installed on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, head to your app store and download it for free. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your usual username and password. For added security, you might need to use biometric verification like fingerprint or Face ID. It's all about keeping your data safe. Now, once you're logged in, head to the main dashboard. Look for the Financial Insights, or Credit Hub, section. It's usually front and center in the 2025 update. Tap on that, and you'll see a dedicated option for Credit Score. Go ahead and select it. The app will quickly pull your latest score from the credit bureaus, which might take a few seconds. You'll see your score displayed prominently, along with a breakdown of factors like payment history, credit utilization, and any recent inquiries. Don't worry if it's your first time. The app includes helpful tips and explanations. For example, a score above 700 is generally considered good, but remember, it varies by lender. Pro tip: check your score regularly, maybe once a month, to track improvements. If you notice any errors, you can dispute them directly through the app. That's it. Simple, right? By monitoring your credit score, you're taking control of your finances. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.